In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to a PC. So, first of all, the recommended connection option is connecting using the USB wireless transmitter. You'll have to go and plug the included USB wireless transmitter into an available USB port on your PC. Then turn on the Stealth 500 by holding the power button, and the headsets and transmitter should pair automatically. You'll have to wait for the LED until the LEDs become solid, indicating a successful connection. And on your PC, you can go and open System Settings, System and Sound, and under Output, select your Turtle Beach Stealth 500, and inputs as well. If you want to use the microphone of it as well, you can select the headset's microphone as your microphone as well. If you want, you can also connect it using Bluetooth if you don't want to use the dongle, you lost it or something else. So in order to do that, you'll need to go and open the Bluetooth on your device first of all. So if it's not opened, just go to again settings, choose Bluetooth and enable it. Then you'll have to turn on your headsets and press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear the pairing prompts and the LED flashes blue. So on your PC, you can open the settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices where you open it and click on add device. Once you click on add device, you'll have to choose the Bluetooth option. Then you'll have to wait a bit until it appears on your PC. Then select the Stealth 500 from the list. So for the best performance, you'll have to download and install the Swarm 2 on your PC application. Then connect your headsets. It will start appearing there and install any available firmware updates. You can also customize the EQ, microphone settings, and audio presets from there. Make sure to enable also this automatically update so you don't have to keep worrying about the updates yourself. So that should be it for me in this video. That's how you connect your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to a PC. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.